Taffy, talk to Taffy. Talk to Taffy. We gotta talk to Taffy. You want to say something to Taffy, Sassy? Oh, there's no squirrels. There's no squirrels. What's the matter? Here, you talk to Taffy. Sass. Sammy Sue. Oh, one more pee over, huh? One more pee over? Hey, sweetie. You want to say hello? Rudy. Sasu. Speak. Come on. Yeah. Tell Taffy we love him. Tell Taffy, hey, tell Taffy we love him. Will you? Taffy? I know, he's not here, but tell him you love him. Come on, Sasu, look here. There's no squirrel.